Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix uh, Fortnite crashing problem easy and quick. If you want to fix it, it's easy. First click here and then type game mode settings, and after that make sure to turn on this option and then go to captures, turn off this one and this one, and then go to Xbox game bar and turn off the first option here, and then go to graphics settings and enable this option here. And after that, all you have to do, just right click on Fortnite, go to properties, compatibility, and now once you're here, click run compatibility troubleshooter, and now try recommended settings and then click test program, and you will find that your problem is fixed. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.